increase the survival rate 60 to 70%. It's proven that be the trend. Hi, my name is Young Jae. I'm the Deputy Director of the Sinsang Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about nano stem cells. And we're going to deep dive into a lot of aspects of this procedure. Hold your line. We might have heard about a concept of nanofat. We can reduce the size of the molecules of fat. And if you make it smaller and smaller, we can make it into something we call a nanofat. And inside we can find a portion of stem cells that were already lying inside the fat cells. So a nano stem cell is how we get the stem cells from the fat and use the stem cell with these nano-sized fat to create a regenerative effect wherever you use it. It also has extracellular matrices and a lot of substances that will help rejuvenate and regenerate our skin and the dermis and the tissues under it. And also, we also use a special device to create a lot of nano-sized holes into the area where we do this nanocell procedure. And we have this vast number of nano-sized holes in our skin where those substances can protrude inside. So that creates a lot of good effects. The most important characteristic of a fat graft or a lipograft to inject fat into the area where we have a loss of volume is that 2 to 3 months the fat is absorbed and whatever is left is called survived. So the average survival rate of a normal fat graft is around 30%. So sometimes we use something we call a PRP fat graft, where we mix the PRP with the fat graft. We can raise the survival rate to around 50%. However, if we use stem cell with the fat that we are going to do the fat grafting, we can increase the survival rate to around 60 to 70%. So it's a very solid evidence-based procedure where we use a stem cell with the fat. It's proven that the survival rate increases, so we can expect a more residual volume after the grafting. So normally when we do fat grafting, it's not a one-time procedure because we do not want to overdo, and the survival rate has a range, so it's not very exact. So we normally try to achieve an optimal result in 2 to 3 treatment procedures. However, for patients where we can't see them repetitively in a course of a few months, we have to have good expected survival rate for the fat graft that we do. So that's why when we do fat grafting, we would like to have a more survival rate for foreign patients. So this is a very good way to achieve that. We make the nano stem cells from our fat, and we can mix them with the fat, and when we use the fat combined as a graft, we call it stromal enriched lipograft. You can call it SEL, SEF, so that we'll have an extended volume that we can achieve. And secondly, if while we use the nano stem cell on the skin, it will promote a lot of regenerative and regeneration actions in the skin. We have to think about a lot of things. One of the two things that cause the looks when we age is the loss of volume makes our skin sag. Secondly, the composition of the substances in the tissue right underneath the skin becomes scarce. So you get more wrinkles, it loses elasticity. If we recover those substances and make our skin more tight and we achieve the volume through lipograft, we are taking care of one of the two biggest reasons that we look aged. It's a very good anti-aging procedure. I'll show you these amazing, astonishing results that we can achieve in a very fast time through our before and after videos. Stay tuned.